Want to know how to change your profile name or your username in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also got a video on how to open and how to use Best Buy, so make sure to watch it. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just like that. And once you select your profile, here should be seeing various options that you can choose from. Now, just simply select account settings. This will be right below plans and subscriptions. So now once you have selected account settings, scroll down until you see change your name. So it should be under your info all the way in the bottom, just simply like that. And now once you have selected change your name, here you can just simply select update on your name. So now once I've selected that, it should send you a verification code to your email first. So you can just simply type in a verification code, select enter, and then you can just simply change your name easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you next one.